In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an Instagram account review or submit an appeal. If you're unable to access your Instagram account or if you've been asked to verify your identity, this process is usually the next step. Instagram may ask you to confirm a few details and provide documentation so they can review your case. The most important thing here is to move carefully, follow the prompts exactly, and make sure the information you enter is accurate. To begin, open Instagram and log into the account you're trying to recover or review. After signing in, look for the option that says Request Review or Appeal. This may appear automatically on the screen, especially if Instagram has restricted the account or flagged it for verification. Tap that option to continue. Take a moment to read any messages shown on the page, since Instagram will often explain why the review is needed and what they'll require from you. Next, Instagram may ask you to confirm your phone number and email address. Enter the requested information carefully and make sure it matches the contact details connected to your account. This step is important because Instagram may use these details to send verification codes, updates, or the final decision about your appeal. If you receive a code, enter it exactly as shown and continue through the verification process. After that, you may be asked to upload documents for identity confirmation. Depending on the situation, this could include a government-issued ID or a short video verification. If you're submitting an ID, make sure the image is clear, well-lit, and easy to read, with all required details visible. If Instagram requests a video verification, follow the on-screen instructions closely and record it in a bright area so your face can be seen clearly. Try to keep the camera steady and avoid rushing through the process, since a clear submission can help prevent delays. Once everything has been submitted, Instagram will review your information. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for the confirmation email or any follow-up message they send. Be sure to check both your inbox and spam folder, just in case the email gets filtered. Response times can vary, so don't panic if you don't hear back immediately. And that's it. By logging in, tapping Request Review or Appeal, confirming your contact details, and uploading the requested verification documents, you'll have completed the appeal process and given Instagram the information they need to review your account